Good afternoon, geographers. Coming to you from the George Washington University. Actually at the Marvin Center here. And behind me, you'll see quite ugly backdrop of construction. And that is going to be our rather unusual topic of the day. So the reason I wanted to talk about that is really just to kind of put into perspective that when you travel or when you go places, and at some point or another, you're probably going to encounter a little bit of construction, a little bit of the building that you really wanted to see is covered in scaffolding, or maybe there's something blocking your view because it's under construction. There's nothing much you can do about that. You might be able to do some research in advance to see if there's construction or if there's a schedule. Oftentimes museums will be closed for renovations, so it pays to look things up online to make sure that where you want to go is open. But as far as planning a trip around it, you might not be able to do that. If you're booking your tickets in August for a trip in December or January, they may not have that schedule available, so you just have to roll with it. There's always going to be something else to do. There's always going to be stuff that you can do nearby that isn't under construction. But you can probably guarantee that at some point during your travels, you'll run into something like this. So don't get frustrated. Just make plans to come back another time and do the best you can with what you've got. And that's kind of my message for today. And hopefully the next time I have a video on campus, it will be a little bit more interesting. All right, well, have a good evening and a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.